All right, Honda Express 2-speed engine, latest project. With I did a little cleaning, but you can see things are still pretty rough and rusty. For example, here's the stator. Stator looks, could be in better shape, but anyways, so I bought this engine with allegedly a clutch problem, but I don't think there's a clutch problem. I think there's something else going on. I'm going to say it's just a wild guess here, but maybe those bearings are shot, which, is no big deal. I've got some bearings. If not, I can order some and we can take her apart. A full scale strip down. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with bad bearings. Tell you what time is it here? I got some time. Let's take the head off and take a look at the piston. I'm just curious. All right, let's do it. Oh, that was on there. That one not so much. Oh, yeah, that one's some. The bottom's not so much. The top's so much. What will we reveal? Oh my. It's not looking not looking good already. Uh-oh. A bit hung up there. Oh my. Oh, there she goes. Well, I'll show you what I was giggling about. We got quite a bit of rust. Oh, this has been weathering. Ugh. Oh. Yes. Yes, indeed. What? Oh. Oh, yeah. We've seen a bit of a mess there. Oh, by the way, more rust. Yeah, this has been sitting in the weather for quite some time. Let's look at the cylinder. I don't think it has many miles on it, though, that's for sure. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but there we go. Cylinder actually not bad. We got a tiny Honda exhaust port. I forgot about this. Yeah, maybe we can make this into an air breather. How about the piston? A little bit of stripes there. But really, I guess the concerning part to me is all this rust on the inside. But I think we're going to just have to break her apart and start from scratch. I think she'll run again. think she'll run again. Might as well just, well, this could be harder. We'll deal with that later, I think. But is it going to come out? See if we put a little pressure on it. Oops, hold on to it. This thing is just rust. Can we see this? Rust blocking it from going through. Maybe I need to take it the other way. Yeah. All right, well, it doesn't matter so much right now. I'll deal with that later. What a mess. What a mess. But, yeah, I don't think there's a clutch problem. I think there's a bearing issue. So, we'll get on it.